Welcome to Dollars into Dreams. My name is Shar, and I appreciate you clicking on this video. And we're going to go ahead and do my debt update for November so that we can go ahead and plan our debt payments and numbers for December. So it should be a really quick video because it's just the numbers. So for my taxes, I made a payment of $1,228.23. The ending balance is $1,586.80. I didn't put the interest because I don't think I'm calculating that correctly, because I know I didn't pay $100 and something in interest. So that's here nor there. The plan is this will be paid off at the end of December. All of these are zero payments. Let's just do that real quick. Very much looking forward to the new year so I can start paying on these student loans and get those knocked out. Okay, so for Mohila number 2, y'all, my mailman is here. I'm never here during the day, and my window is open. I'm facing the front of my house, and I'm filming. This is very awkward. We locked eyes. So awkward. Okay, so we accumulated $5.10 in interest. Our ending balance is $1,248.46. For Mohila number 3, we accumulated $5.58 in interest. Our ending balance is $1,401.67. Okay, so for Mohila number 4, we accumulated $12.91 in interest, and we are ending with $4,518.83. For Mohila number 5, we accumulated $16.27 in interest. We are ending in $4,969.95. Mohila number 6, no interest accumulated, and we're still at $5,543.14. The same goes for Mohila number 7. We're still at $6,031.10. Mohila number 8, we did accumulate $29.11 in interest. So we're ending with $10,213.38. For Mohila number 9, we accumulated $32.83 in interest, and we are ending with $11,492.14. Mohila number 2, we accumulated $63.17 in interest. We are ending with $22,099.18. For Navient number 1, we accumulated $14.50 in interest, and we are ending with $3,741.48. Navient number 2, there was no interest, and we're still at $6,954.33. For Navient number 3, no interest, and we're at $7,474.56. For our last student loan, Navient number 4, we accumulated $38.96 in interest, which makes us end at $10,262.40. For our Discover credit card, we paid $400. There is no interest, which makes our balance at $9,551.60. Okay, for my mortgage, my payment that I pay is $1,430. This includes escrow, interest, and extra principal payment. I had the interest somewhere. It's like 700 and some change. But our ending balance is $140,938.14. So how much did that decrease our principal? Okay, so we decreased our principal by, I'm not even going to put that there. I'm going to put this to the side. $217.85. Okay, so now let's total our total payments. Okay, so my total payments was $3,058.23. My total interest and I'm just going to say 758. I don't know the exact number, but it's around that. So we're going to say our total interest is, well, it's not as accurate because I can't figure that one out. So we have $976.43, a roundabout. Okay, so our ending balance for debt is, let me total this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so our ending debt balance is $248,027.16. And if I subtract that from our beginning, our debt decreased $1,792.16. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So what I did do is I did total up how much interest for my student loan. So for this month alone, it was $218.43. So starting in the new year, when this debt is paid off, then I'm going to start paying probably at least $300 towards, and I'll disperse it amongst the student loans so that I can at least stop them from increasing. And then whatever I have left after that will start at the lowest student loan, and then I will pay that. So then I can start paying them off, and I'll just tackle the smallest one, then move to the next one and the next one, while still paying at least the minimum interest so that the debts do not increase. Okay, so that is my plan for my student loans starting in January 2026. But here's our numbers for us going into December 2025. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you are having a wonderful day and a wonderful break. I am filming this the day before Thanksgiving because I have a lot to do tonight and tomorrow. So I just need to get this filmed so I can go ahead and edit it and get it scheduled. So I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I will see you in my next video. Until then, have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Bye.